Hello, how you doing? Today we're going to make this fish, a fillet fish. You can use any fish you want. I'm using sea bass. We've got some lovely spices on there. We're going to bang it in the oven, really hot. Doesn't take any time at all. Delicious stuff. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I'm using sea bass. I've got a sea bass fillet there. It's 500 grams. It's about a pound of meat. You can use any fish you want, but like I say, sea bass is what we're using today. Okay, a couple of teaspoons of chopped garlic, half a cup of olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon and the lemon zest, a teaspoon each, salt, pepper, chili powder, turmeric and cumin. We're going to give that a little mix. Now before we move on here, I'd like you to get your oven on really high heat, maximum heat. You need a nice hot preheated oven. So you can see that I'm using metal here. You could use ceramic or glass if you want, as long as it can go in the oven. Very simply, we're going to take this, we're going to pour it over, and then I'm just going to flip it a couple of times to get the masala-y sort of flavors all on that. Very simply, that goes into your oven just like this. This size, maximum heat, about 9 minutes or so. Job done, beautiful. About 9 or 10 minutes in a really massively hot oven, that fish is beautiful. And there you have it. That is perfect, that fish. Takes no time at all. It's super easy. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel. All that good stuff. Keep safe. Keep well. Lots of love.